Hello everyone, let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB memory kit. This kit boasts a speed of 7000 MHz with a CL40 latency, and it's designed to work seamlessly with Intel XMP and Corsair's ICUE software. First off, the sheer capacity of 96GB, 2x48GB, is impressive. This is more than enough for demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running virtual machines. If you're a content creator or someone who juggles multiple memory-intensive applications, this kit will provide ample headroom. The 7000 MHz speed is also a major selling point. With modern CPUs packing more cores than ever, fast memory is crucial for feeding them data quickly. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 aims to deliver on this front, promising faster processing, rendering, and buffering. One of the standout features is the onboard voltage regulation. This allows for easier and more stable overclocking through Corsair's ICUE software. The software provides fine-grained control over voltage settings, potentially allowing users to squeeze even more performance out of the kit. Corsair's ICUE software also enables users to customize and save their own XMP profiles. This is a welcome addition, as it allows users to tailor performance to specific applications or tasks. For example, you could create a profile for gaming with tighter timings or a profile for video editing with higher bandwidth. The kit also features a compact form factor, which should ensure compatibility with most DDR5 builds. The low-clearance design minimizes the risk of interference with CPU coolers, which is always a concern when dealing with high-performance memory. The Corsair Vengeance DDR5 also features a solid aluminum heat spreader. This helps to dissipate heat and keep the memory modules running cool, even under heavy loads. The heat spreader also adds to the overall aesthetic of the kit, giving it a premium look and feel. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 96GB memory kit appears to be a solid option for users who demand the best possible performance. The high capacity, fast speed, and advanced features like onboard voltage regulation and custom XMP profiles make it a compelling choice for demanding applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.